How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for the VXE R1 Pro mouse. The first thing that you want to do is to get the software for the ADK hub. Now you can get this as a web driver or you can get it as an application itself. But in my case, to make things easier, let's navigate through the atk.web right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your mouse. Of course, every mouse right here will have the same setting. You want to click on the DPI setting and you want to set different profiles. Now, you want to set something like 400, 800, and 1600. This tree is the best DPI settings that most people use, but generally you want to use 800 DPI right here. This will provide you with best of both worlds between 400 and 1600. From there, let's navigate through the performance setting. Now, I suggest switching to 1000 or 1K. This works best for competitive gamers or casual gamers out there. But if you're more focused onto winning and basically just fragging onto your games, you want to switch something like 2000, 4000, and maybe something like 8000. But I highly doubt it because most people will just use something like 2000 or 4000 right here. But take note that if you go higher on your polling rate, this will basically consume more battery. So you just have to keep that in mind. I suggest choosing something like 1000 or 2000 because this will be the balance between high battery cost and great performance. Now, onto the parameter setting, you just want to make sure that the motion synchronization is turned on. This will smooth out your mouse movements, especially if you're playing something like Apex Legends, where most things happen tracking. Now, for the key debounce delay, set it to 1 ms. For the sleep time setting, you could set it to your own preference. For all of this setting, you just want to leave it turned off. And lastly, for the LOD or lift off distance, you just want to set this to 1 mm. So in that way, when we do something like flex, our mouse won't jitter. So that's the best settings that you can do for your VXE R1 Pro mouse. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.